What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin back to Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. So the first thing we're going to do is tap into our Cash App application. And then we'll tap the bottom left-hand corner where the money is. Then you'll tap on Bitcoin. You'll tap the double arrows to the right. You'll tap on Receive Bitcoin. Here you can tap on share and send this link as a text message or an email for someone else to pay you in Bitcoin. Or you can tap on the image to copy your Bitcoin address to paste into another application. You can choose the amount that you would like to receive, and you can also add a note. When you're done, tap next. And again, you can share, or you can tap the image to copy your Bitcoin address. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you send Bitcoin back to Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.